My dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So, I welcome you all to the math class. So children, in today's class we will be doing the sums from maths textbook, okay? So we are continuing with chapter 2, 4-digit numbers. So children, let us first see what we are going to do in today's class. So in today's class, you all will learn to show the place value of numbers using abacus. Okay, using abacus, counting the bits in the abacus, you will show different numbers with different place values and phase values. Okay, you can see that there is an abacus, and in ones position we are doing 4-digit numbers, so it will go to till 1000 position. So in ones position there is 1 bit, so we will write 1. In tens position there are 3 bits, so we will write 3, right? 3. So this is tens position, so this will be 3. 0. 30 tens, yes, 30. So next is there are 7 bits, so the place value of 7 is 700, right? So in 1000 there are 4 bits, so the place value of 1000 here is, the face value is 4 and the place value is 4000. So your number is 4731. So in this way you will learn to form the numbers used with the help of abacus. So next example is there. See, there are 4 bits in ones position, 9 bits in tens position, 0 bit in 100 position and 5 bits in 1000 position. So our number is 5094. There is no bit in 100 position, so we are writing 0 for that. Okay, so 5094. Next, in today's class we will also learn to write the place value without using abacus. Okay, so here you can see this we have been doing since many days. Here you can see 1 is in thousands position, 2 is in 100 position, 3 is in tens position and 4 is in ones position. So your number will be 1234 according to its position or according to its place value. So next, here also I have given one example. Here you can see number 5468. Yes, 8 is in ones, 6 is in tens, 4 is in 100, 5 is in 1000 position. So the number is 5468. Okay, according to its place value. And here it's given, the expanded form of number is also given: 5 into 1000, 4 into 100, 6 into 10 and 8 into 1. So that will make 5468. That means 5468. So in today's class we will complete exercise 2. We have just left with 2 numbers, 16 and 17, where you have to write the numbers in between and write all the numbers in between. That is 16 and 17, last numbers from exercise 2 of chapter 2. Next, we will start exercise 3 today in our class, okay? And we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, which is all related to the place value of the numbers. You can see you have to write the numbers using abacus. You have to show the abacus, okay? You have to show the numbers in the abacus, and you have to fill the number 8306 with the, like, you have to find the place value of different digit in 8306 and you have to tick the correct answer for this. This is also for the place value only. So the thing we are going to do today is to find the place value of the numbers. So let us proceed to our class, children. So children, as I have already told you that we will do number 16 and 17 from exercise 2 of chapter 2. This is in page number 8 of your mental maths. Okay, sorry, page number 18 of your mental maths book. So write the numbers in between 3140 and 3142. So we know that the number which lies in between 3140 and 3142 is 3141. Yes, so you will write 3141. Now next, the number which lies between 8999 and 9001 is, what is the number? The number is 9000. 1000. Yes, 8999, 9000, 9001. So you will do C and D by yourself. Now children, number 17 you have to do it in the copy. Okay, write all the numbers in between. So for that you will write classwork in your math copy and today's date, exercise 2, number 16. Write the numbers, number 17. Write the numbers, write all the numbers in between. Write all the numbers in between. So the first question is number A, 2996 and 3001. Yes, so we will write all the numbers that comes between 2966 and 3001. So what are the number? 2996, after that 2997, 2998, 2999 and 3000. Yes, so these are the number after 3000, 3001. So these are the four numbers that lies between 2996 and 3001. Now number B question number B is 6098 and 6102. So let us write the number which lies between 6098 and 6102. So 6098, 6099, 6099, after that 6100, after that 6101. So after that 6102 appears, right? Children, A and B I have done for you. C you will do and D you will do it by yourself. Now let us move to exercise 3 from chapter 2. So this is exercise 3. See, I have already told you that we have to write the number shown on the abacus. Yes, so let us write the number shown on the abacus. So here how many bits? Let us count the bits from the ones position. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3. So the number we have got is 3543. Now B, let us count the bits in ones position. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 bits in ones position. 1 bit in tens position. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 bits in 100 position and 7 bits in 1000 position. So our number is 7618. Now next, there is no bit in ones position, so 0. 2 bits in tens position, so 2. 3 bits are there in 100 position, 3. And 1 2 3 4 5 bits in 1000 position, so 5320. Now next let us count the bits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, 9 bits in ones position. Let us count it once again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 9 bits in ones position, so 9. There are no bits in tens position, so 0. Yes, 100 position there are 1 2 3 4 5 bits in 100 position, so 5. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 bits in 1000 position, so 6. 6509. Right? Now children, you will do E and F by yourself. G and H let us do. There is 1 bit, so 1. 2 bits, so 2. And there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 bits, so 7. So there is no bit in 1000 position, so number will be 721. Only 3 digit number. Okay, H you will do it by yourself, children. So children, number 2 you have to do it in copy, so let us skip this one for the next class. And number 4 also you have to do it in copy, so let us skip this for the next class. Okay, when we will do all the things in copy, we will do number 2 and number 4 also. Okay, so for the number 8306, fill in the following. So
The number is given 8306. Yes, the number is given 8306. So the digit in the hundreds place. So what is the digit in the hundred place? You can see ones, tens and hundreds. So there is 3 in hundreds place. So 3. The place value of 0. The place value of the digit 0. What is the place value of 0? The place value of 0 is tens. Yes. So we will write what is the place value of 0 here? Tens. The place value of 6 is ones. O-N-E-S. Ones. And the digit in the thousand place. What is the digit in the thousand place? Yes, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So digit in the hundred place is 8. Yes, sorry, thousand place is 8. So children, 2 and 4 I am not doing it today. Keep it in mind. The one when we will do it in the copy, that day only I will continue. I will complete 2 and 4. So you will complete till 3 only today. So children, this much for today's class. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.